An excellent pose, foundational pose for yoga is the tree pose, but I recommend it that you do it in 4 stages. So the first stage, go ahead and do it seated, and you're gonna put your legs out in front, and now point your toes, flex your toes toward the nose, and now move one foot out to the side and put it on the inside of your ankle. So you're doing a seated tree, and now put your hands together and repeat after me. Namaste. And this is where you can do your moving meditation by putting your hands out in front. Breathe in that victorious breath through the nose, arms up. Touch your hands at the top. Breathe out your nose, touch your forehead. Breathe in your nose, touch a shoulder. Now breathe out the nose, hands travel. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, stomach in and up. Activate your root. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in your nose, arms up. Now on the exhale, breathe out your nose, lower down, and give gratitude for the practice. Rise up and you say namaste. Now what you do on one side, it's important to do on the other to get circulation going great in both legs. So pedal out your feet. Now point your toes. Flex your toes toward the nose, pivot that other foot out to the side. You're gonna put it on the inside of your ankle. Now, if it bothers your ankle to sit like this, you can just also set the foot down. The focus now is on the leg with the straight legs with your toes towards your nose. And now put your foot back where it's comfortable. Put your hands together. Namaste, which means the light in me honors the light in you. Now make a circle with your hands. You're connecting your lights. Now we put our hands out front. We're gonna breathe in that victorious breath through the nose, arms up. Touch your hands at the top. Now breathe out your nose, touch your forehead. Breathe in your nose, touch your shoulder. Now breathe out the nose, hands travel. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, stomach in and up. Activate your root. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in your nose, arms up. On the exhale, breathe out the nose and only lower down as far as your back feels good for a deeper stretch, and give gratitude for the practice. Rise up and say namaste. Now it's time to stand up. So to do your tree pose standing, you're gonna start with a kickstand and just put your foot right next to your leg and put your hands together. Now, with the standing tree, when you start to feel wobbly, push your hands together, and that's gonna stabilize your base. And then shake it out. Go ahead and do the other side. Hands come back together. Okay, now we're going to travel up the leg. So we're going to be doing a calf stand. So you're gonna take your foot and put it right on your calf. Be sure that it's not on the knee. When you get wobbly, push your hands together. Namaste. Shake it out. Do the other side. Usually, one foot is a little easier than others, and that's okay. Just means it's time to practice. Now, we're gonna do a full tree. Now, this is where I see a lot of people injure their knee, including myself. So it's important that your foot is not touching your knee in any place, because it puts pressure on the ligaments, and once they stretch out, they don't go back in. So in order to get into a full tree, you're going to want to hug your knee to prepare your hip. Now place your foot on the thigh above the knee. And now as you start to get dizzy, push your hands together. And you can try your moving meditation, and because this helps build your balance and coordination. Now, if it's hard for you to do both sides, go ahead and get next to a wall so you can put one hand on the wall and do one hand tree, okay? Namaste, which means the light in me honors the light in you. You make a circle with your hands, put your hands out front, breathe in your nose, touch your hands. Now, breathe out your nose, touch your forehead, your shoulder. Breathe out your nose. Rise up. Now, instead of lowering all the way down, when you're new to tree doing moving meditation, just lower the hands down and say namaste. So, and make sure what you do on one side, you also do on the other. And if you have any questions, reach out to me and follow for more tips and subscribe. Namaste.